Today we are from Group 2. We'll present a talk show called Disclosure Technique. My name is Nikadek Maudi Regianini Gracia Paramesti with number 200217995. As host, we will present a talk show with the theme of the challenge of digitalizing contraction for Millennial Civil Engineering 4.0. Our goal is to choose the theme because of the technology in Industry 4.0, revolution era is the phenomenon that collaborates cyber technology and automation technology. The application concept is centered on the automation concept carried out by technology without the need for human labor in the application process. First of all, let us give thanks to God who has given us the blessing that we can meet on this talk show. Okay everyone, welcome to today's talk show with me, Gracia Paramesti. So, this time we will discuss the challenge of digitalizing construction for Millennial Civil Engineering 4.0. Thirdly, in front of me, there are research persons who will explain our theme this time for the next 12 minutes, namely, Pedra, Civil Engineering student.
Hello everyone.
Adiel, cement factory owner.
Hello.
Vincent, contractor. And the last one, Asri, student architecture.
Hello.
As we all know, today the technology revolutions continues to grow, and now there are many from the technology that are very useful for millennial children. We're going to start with Pedra. Pedra, in your opinion, what is your role as a civil engineering student in facing the digitalization of construction?
In my opinion, as a student, technology for students is a major player in facing the challenges of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Therefore, students must develop their potential as much as possible while studying on campus, not only in academics but also in creativity and innovation.
What abilities should students have to face it?
Yeah, students must have leadership skills, problem-solving skills, communication skills, and critical thinking skills because students are leaders in the future.
Please give a real example.
Artificial intelligence people commonly use now is wireless communication. For nowadays, people prefer to go online rather than offline. Wireless communication has enabled the connection of billions of people to the internet so that they can reap the benefits of today's digital economy. Similarly, a great standard for mobile phones allow people to use their devices everywhere in the world, especially in this COVID-19 situation.
Do you agree with the idea of AI use in our life nowadays? Why?
Of course I do, because it makes our lives easier.
What do you think of the opinion that AI will threaten the extinction of the human race?
Artificial intelligence may eliminate some jobs, but it will also create new ones, and work that is done by humans will be more thoughtful, rewarding, and fulfilling. Artificial intelligence will make us beyond humans in effects such as superhuman. We will march on and evolve because that's we do and we're good at it.
I want to hear the opinion of an architecture student. How do you as an architecture student face this revolution?
Yeah, for me, in facing this revolution, we must be open-minded, must be optimistic in facing challenge after challenge, and must be accustomed to completing small things carefully to achieve other big responsibility that will be given.
How do you apply digital technology in the world of architecture?
Yeah, digital technology has been applied in the world of architecture. This can be seen in the architectural design process. Using digital technology in the architectural design process is more efficient and easier. Besides that, using digital technology makes it easier for me as a student to explore geometric form with a higher level of complexity.
How about the manual method in architecture? Is it still needed in the midst of digital technology, which is arguably quite sophisticated?
Yeah, manual methods or methods of drawing designs are still needed even though digital technology is more sophisticated. Some architecture and interior design still use this method because they think it's more artful.
Thank you for your opinion. Okay, now I turn to a resource person who works as a contractor. What are the job opportunities for civil engineering graduates?
There are some jobs that many civil engineer graduates like to take. Civilian technician, civil engineer, aquatic resources engineer, construction consultant, government MBUM and employees, construction and building supervisor, quality control analyst, and others.
Oh, I see. What do you think there are still not many job opportunities?
In my opinion, quality control analyst job opportunities.
What kind of quality control analysis does the job?
The job of the civil engineering department is in charge of examining and determining the quality of raw material or a certain product. In the field of civil engineering, an analyst is needed to check the quality of building equipment components. This is important so that manufacturers produce the best and ready to use product in accordance with existing standard, especially standard concerning construction safety.
I see. You want to be interested in working as a quality control analysis?
Actually, I'm quite interested in quality control analysis because I'm interested in checking the components of building tools.
Wow, good luck, Pedra! If you are an architecture graduate, can you get a job as construction consultant?
You can do it. Actually, for this job, prospect is to provide advice on design ideas to construction techniques. So it is just the same as engineering graduation.
How about an architecture student?
Yeah, I think I can. In a construction project, architectural considerations are always a top priority in decision making, meaning that the voice of an architect is always heard by the project manager in every construction process.
Wow, the chances are quite big. I hope you can find a job according to your interests. Next, I will ask for the opinion of cement factory owner. As a cement factory owner, what materials are commonly used in building store buildings?
Some of the materials commonly used in strong buildings are bricks as a constituent wall, mud and clay so as not to leave a cavity that can corrode the building, river stone as building materials for making foundation, cement as an adhesive, steel as reinforcement in a house, and metal as a construction framework for large building.
So, What are the factors that make a building strong?
Factors that make a building strong, such as soil quality. The characteristic of soil with the right density tends to be hard, not prone to landslides, and have a texture of sandy gravel or clay sand, support the construction of earthquake-resistant residential buildings. When there is a vibration on the earth's surface, the foundation of residential buildings are not easily destroyed or shifted. The second one is quality of construction materials. The recommended construction materials are the concrete mixture consists of cement, sand, gravel, and water. The gravel used also have a maximum size of 2 mm. Mortar is made of cement, sand, and water. The foundation is made of hard gravel or river stone, and the wood used must be a good quality, hard, dark in color, without cracks, and straight. The third one is foundation depth. To support the construction of earthquake-resistant houses, a foundation with a minimum depth of 60 to 75 cm is one of the important requirements so that the load of the building on the footing is well distributed. And the last one is all the main structural elements are well connected and have a symmetrical shape. All the main structural elements of the building must be well connected to one another so that the building construction becomes stronger and the load of the building is distributed more evenly. In addition, the simple and symmetrical shape of the house is better able to withstand the effect of earthquake torsion.
Oh, means you two can work together.
Of course, we can work together. I can be a supplier of the necessary materials from Vincent. Then just contact me.
Oh sure, later we can contact each other first.
That's great. So it can be concluded from the talk show at this time. That's very influential for student or engineering graduates. Even in the midst of the pandemic, I would like to thank all of our talk show for the speakers who are willing to give their opinion on the talk show. With them, Challenge of Digitalizing Contraction for Millennial Civil Engineering 4.0 today, and thank you, love. Well, that's wrap up our talk show. See you on the next event. Bye bye.